Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end-of-day report is for trading on Monday, November the 27th, 2017. Well, Thanksgiving is gone. Now we're into the Christmas season. Hopefully everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the several days off we got. Now it's time to get back to work. Well, a whole lot has happened. And then again, really nothing at all. To be honest, this really has not been a lot to talk about. We got a few bright spots that we're going to take a quick look at, but other than that, it's business as usual. Looking at the chart of the NASDAQ 100, the weekly chart, you can see that last week the market did exactly what it needed to do. This week should be no different. The week prior to that, the market was bid up. It was a buying opportunity. So far, it looks like we're setting up for another buying opportunity. All-time highs for the NASDAQ, 6,424.50. Amazing. Market is locked in. What can you say? Except for you're in a stage 3 bull market. The market will last as long as it lasts. When will it pull back? Who knows? Just be ready when it does. In the meantime, buy everything. Looking at gold. Here's a chart of gold trying to get bold. Market came off for several weeks, then kind of floundered around a little bit. Now momentum has been regained and the market is on the run. This market is a buy. First stop, it's going to be right here, 1306.40. Next stop is here, 1362.40. That's what you're looking for. Those are your first initial profit targets, objectives, whatever you want to call it. Resistance levels, that's where the market is headed, all things being equal. All gold needs to do to make sure this continues into next week is close above 1286.60. Taking a look at silver. Silver is a little different. It's really just stretched out, consolidated, and it's happening under the cumulo cloud. You're not falling lower, you're just kind of stretching this thing out. You won't start heading lower until we get closer to Christmas, all things being considered. Right now, this market just has not made up its mind. It's in a downtrend channel per se, but we're not getting any downside momentum or upside momentum for that matter. This market's just flat. Taking a look at crude oil. Crude oil is going the way of the NASDAQ. It's finally breaking out. What do you know? On the weekly chart, you are all over the place, consolidated, wide trading range. Now the market is breaking out and flirting with the $60 handle that I told you about way back up in here. All right, that's where it wants to go. This trend now is locked in. All right, for the past several weeks, the market's been marching. This right here was a pullback, setting up for the breakout, and we're about to do another one. So this one is looking bullish as can be. Let's see what else we got. Gbtc, Bitcoin marching toward 10,000, you guys, and taking the Gbtc right along with it. Here we are. All right, I told you the pointer was going to lead the way. We were down in here, and I kept telling everybody, look at the pointer, don't forget the pointer. And what happened? Boom, we have exploded. All right, 1357. Market is ready to go gangbusters, and it's going gangbusters. BTCS. Taking a look at the BTCS. Tried to get something going earlier. We'll see if it can do it. If it closes above 18 cents this week, then this one's going to go the way of the Gbtc chart. I told you about this 57 cent this pointer, this is where the market wants to go. That's the trajectory. Once it can get its act together, it's going there and beyond. It's going to get over a buck. You just watch and see. Looks like we're starting to creep a lock-in mode right now. That will give it what it needs to hit this rampage. By mid-February, we should be north of the 50-cent marker. BTCS. All right, what else? Let's see. GDXJ, looking at the junior miners. Can't get its act together, but right, this is looking interesting this week. This market is trying to get a close above $32.49. If it can do it, then the 34.19 resistance is in play. Likewise is the first stop at 33.28. That's what we're looking for in the GDXJ. Let's see if we can get it. XIV and turning points. XIV right now is not signaling any turning points. It is showing that it is locked in bullish, and as long as this stays in this configuration, so will the stock indexes. This one's still a buy. Looking at NVIDIA. It's still locked and loaded too. Pausing for a little bit here, but that 218.67 high looks like the market is gunning for it. This one's still a buy as long as it can stay above 210 this week on the close. This one's good to go. What else we got? Good old hack. Hack. This is no good. No bueno. It's above $30 a share and approaching $32 a share. This is not good. Expect all types of stuff to come out. We've been hearing it. Right after I warned you a week ago about hack, actually 2 weeks ago, and the day after it was announced that Uber had been hacked and something else. I forget who else. It was a big deal. And you're going to keep hearing about this, especially during this season. All right? And just, guard yourself as much as possible. But data breaches abound, folks. All right? Cybersecurity threat is on red alert level. And now this is about to lock in a bullish trend. Yeah. Get ready for the hack attack. It's a fact that the hack attack is back. For the rest of the world, it's whack. Before your bank account, it's fat. All right, I think that's that for now. Nothing else really to talk about. Bonds are staying afloat at 153.12. It's below that 155 threshold we talked about, but it's in a neutral zone right now, where the Fed can do something with the rates. And based on the effectual of the economy, they really need to see the bonds below 150. 153.13 is still too high for them to be raising rates. So we'll see. They can do whatever they want, but it just wouldn't be smart. Excuse me. Like I said, Bitcoins are on fire. Approaching $10,000. Gbtc is up almost $300 today. You saw it. It's right here. $254.99 on the close. What can I say? All right. That's why you need the pulse waves, folks. You need the price triggers. You need to know how to trade these algorithms, pushing these markets to and fro. You want to know when the Bitcoin bubble is going to burst? You need to subscribe to the pulse wave so you can find that out and be the first to know. All right? Because the pulse wave subscribers get all the information first. Not only do they get the price triggers, but they get any information and alerts that the algos, are picking up. I don't always have time to do videos. And that's why being a part of the premium trading room is so important, because whatever I see, I get to tell you what it is right then and there on the spot. All right. So With that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And remember, for a short time, 7-day free trial at pulsewavetrading.com. Take advantage of it. Peace.